Alzheimer's disease patients, a bit of a segue here, may soon be able to get faster, cheaper and more accurate detection of their condition. NUS researchers have developed a system where just a tiny drop of blood is used and a brain disorder, as well as mild cognitive impairment, can be detected in less than an hour.
And they also add that the system can potentially diagnose Alzheimer's even before clinical symptoms appear. It costs 30 Singapore dollars per blood test, which is less than 1% of the cost of doing PET imaging. 60 samples can be tested simultaneously. The 12-member research team spent 2 years developing the system and are aiming to commercialize it within the next 5 years. The disease currently affects more than 1 in 10 people aged 60 years and above in Singapore.
We can achieve a sensitivity that's over 10,000 times better than the technologies that are currently available in hospitals. With this technology, we can actually identify and measure the most reflective biomarkers in blood at a very early stage of disease.